This is Rashid. In today's video, I'll be explaining you how we can buy or sell cryptocurrency using P2P option. P2P option is available in all popular exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. I'm comfortable using Huobi, so I'll be explaining you how we can buy or sell cryptocurrency using Huobi. So for that, you need to open huobi.com website. Then there is an option called buy crypto. You select that, then go to P2P option. So when you are on that page, it will if you go to if you select buy option, it will show you all available sellers. If you select sell option, you will see all available buyers. In our case, we want to buy cryptocurrency by spending our fiat currency. So let's assume that you want to buy USDT. You need to select USDT. If you want to buy BTC, you need to select BTC. Um, so you have selected that, and based on your country of residence, you need to select that currency. If you're from India, select in INR. If you're from US, select USD. If you're from Singapore, you can select SGD. So for demo purpose, I'll select INR. So once you do that, it will show you all available sellers. So this is the exchange rate. So for one USDT currency, you need to spend 84 rupees. So you have other options also like 84. This is the best rate which is available now. So the payment option, like you got IMPS and UPI. So this particular seller is holding currently 263 USDT, and minimum you can buy 10,000, maximum is 22,000. So if you're okay with this exchange rate and payment option, you can select buy USDT. Once you go there, you got two options, right? You can either enter your fiat currency amount in case if you want to buy 10,000 rupees USDT, then it will automatically it will display you 119 USDT based on 84 rate. If you want to buy 150 USDT, then you can select 150, and after that click confirm. So once you go to confirm page, then it will display you all the details of that particular customer, his bank details, so his UPI number. You can also chat with him. So if you have any clarifications, you can message that particular customer or that particular seller and get it clarified. Then you can make the payment. So you can either go for UPI or you can go for IMPS. Once you do that, you can mark the status paid. So then the seller will verify your transaction, and if you really if you receive your transaction, then he will release you the token. Seller release the token, right? It should reflect under orders. If you go to orders and if you go to complete tab, right, you should see recently purchased record. And if you want to see the balance, you need to go to balances and then fiat account. If you click that, you should see a recently purchased USDT amount here. So this is all about buying a crypto using once you get that balance under fiat, you can transfer it to your spot account or wherever you want to do, you can do that. So this is all about buying a crypto using P2P option. The next option is like how we can sell it. For that, you need to go to again buy crypto P2P, and there is an option called create ad. You can create your own ad in case if you want to. So in case if you want to sell USDT, you can select USDT, crypto USDT. Side you want to do is sell. So enter that. Then what is your limit price in case if you want to sell it for 85? And then payment window is you can specify 10 minutes to 180 minutes. Like if the buyer wants to buy, right, he should be able to complete the transaction in case if you mention 10, then he should be able to complete within 10 minutes. If you mention 15, then he should complete the transaction within 15 minutes. If you fail to do it, automatically order will get cancelled. So 10 minutes. Then volume, how much crypto you're currently holding. Then you can specify what should be the minimum transaction the buyer should be doing, and the maximum is based on the available balance. If you specify here 1000, then it's like 85,000. Then you can specify here like what kind of buyers you are preferring. So do you need to do authentication required? I always select advanced verification is required. Select that, and then you can also specify the payment options. um, you can select payment options like whether you want payment method, UPI payment method, or you want account transfer. You have to select those things and then you create. Once you do that, then your ad will be listed and it will be displayed under sell section, and it will be under buy section. Whoever is interested, they will come and select buy, and then you will see orders. Under orders you will see some kind of a notification, and you will see a under processing tab. Then you verify the transaction. If the amount is credited, then you go ahead and release your token. So from cryptocurrency will get deducted from your account, and that will credit to um, that will transfer to the buyer's account. That's all. If you feel free to comment under video, I'll try to answer your queries. In case if you're new to Huobi Exchange, please use my referral link, which is there in the video description. If you successfully sign up with my referral link, you're eligible to get 30% discount in your transaction fee, as well as if you manage to complete beginner task, you're eligible to get $350 worth of cryptocurrency. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe and do forward to your friends.